It's right next to mine. Go the other way. If I can remember. Yeah, it actually gives you a clue right there for the arrangement of the molecules, the health molecules. It's alright. Ooh! Shit! Thought that was a platform there. My bad. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Alright. Gotta keep trying, gotta keep trying. Alright. Yeah, you see, these drop straight down, so it's pretty much telling you to go this way. Unless you just want to show off and go the other way. And yes, there is a hook there that I can swing and get lives, but it's not worth the effort. Oh! Whew. It's like every time. Okay. Last level. Last level of the game. Buttville. Yeah, okay. Thought about it. Should I? They don't really talk about the plot in this game within the game, but you literally had to buy the strategy guide to get the plot of the game originally. Hey, wait a minute. Did I skip a section? They might have skipped it. They might have taken a section out of this. I'll tell you in a minute. Let me get to where I'm trying to go here real quick. Okay, no, it's just up here. Disregard. Actually, need to get rid of that. Alright. Yeah, they don't really talk about the plot or anything in this game. They just kind of say New Junk City and then the game begins. You know, whatever. Yeah, you had to pretty much buy the strategy guide to get the plot. Oh my god, excuse me. To get the plot of the game. Because they had like a comic strip in the beginning. It's actually the same thing. And the intro to the HD release for, you know, the PlayStation Network and the Xbox Live Arcade and all that. And also, if you've watched cartoons, then you're a little familiar with it that way, but you'll see. Stand under it. There we go. Jesus! Okay. It's like a worm pincer claw thing with a bow tie. Not sexy. Kind of misleading there. Can't see shit. Because these enemies are like invincible. Ah! Woo! Try not to fuck up, man. Alright. There, the cow that I launched at the beginning of the game. Huh, there we go. Alright. There. Fuck. Let me just get over here. Oh, let me go over here. There's a beehive right there. Right there. There. Not even hitting it. No, it would have fell on me by now. Ah, this game. Good enough. Whatever. Yeah, this game just got real, huh? Alright. I guess they give you plenty of power-ups and shit, you know. Little health shits. It's actually a pretty short level, really, but the first time you're playing it, it seems hard. It's long and hard as shit. Goes gay! Shut the fuck up. Okay. There. I knew that would work. Never doubt my skills. Alright, I'm gonna try something here. It might not work. Do it again to lure him out. Cause this son of a bitch. I hate this motherfucker right here. It's like you gotta like drop and turn around and just gonna keep doing it. There we go. Ah! Ah! Skill! Luck? Nope, fuck. No such thing as luck. Skill. I beat games. Mostly on hard. Okay, where is it? There it is. Okay, well, shit. See if I can actually do it. Let me wipe my hands off real quick. My hands are sweating like a son of a bitch. Okay. Okay. Oh, I missed it! Damn it! I thought he dropped it and he didn't. What a dickhead, dude. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. There's a wall there, so you can't jump up. You have to go the long way. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now I know what to look for. Gotta drop first, then use my hook to swing. No big deal. And on my favorite game, man. Kind of sad. Whew! Get a little closer. Oh! There we go. Yeah, you constantly slide off these whatever basketball turtle things. I don't know what the fuck they are. Woo! Whoa! Sorry if I get real quiet here. Damn it, dude! Why do I keep fucking falling? Alright. Whoa! What? He didn't kill me! I don't believe it. He normally kills. That's like an automatic death right there, normally. Okay. Yeah, God. I keep trying like I'm actually gonna make it. I'm not. I'll get it. I'll get it eventually. Thankfully, it's a short level. Thankfully. Okay. Alright. Jesus Christ. Okay. I will beat this game. Oh yes, I will beat this game. What? Because he fakes you out. Sometimes he'll just come out for a second. Oh, okay. That's what I gotta do. Then I gotta. It's like I'm gonna jump over there, but I changed my mind. This should hit him. No, it didn't. Whew. I'm gonna take a chance. Woo! Struggle is real. Alright. Why can't I hit that? Just wait to die, waiting to die. Okay. I'll get it. Get it eventually. I have to. Favorite game. I gotta keep face here. Oh no! Little kamikaze bees with teeth. Son of a bitch asses. God damn. Alright. See how fast you lose health in this game? Jesus. See how fast I got it back? Yeah! Pro gaming status. Fucking kill the enemy. Kinda cool. Okay. Oh! Every fucking time. This game is not forgiving. As you can see, it's not forgiving at all. Okay, he does the quick one. And he does... No, he's going to keep doing the quick one, isn't he? There we go, that's what I'm looking for. Got him. Alright. I keep missing it. It's like... I know what I gotta do, actually. Okay. Let's see if I'm right for what I gotta do. This game is incredibly hard. Alright. Diagonal. There you go, buddy. for all this to get to the last boss, the end of the game must be really fucking epic, right? Oh, you will see quite a battle. Oh, yes. Yes, you will. Last boss. Known history books for the battle of the last boss. That's no shit. Stuck in my teeth there. I was like, that's what I gotta do. I gotta come over. So you want me to do it? How do I do it? How do I do it? I gotta come down somehow. Oh. How do I do it? How do I do it? Can I do it? Yep. I had to come down the second tier of that, which you do just by going to the edge. Okay, try it again. This is my last. Oh shit! If I die here, I gotta start over. Oh yes. Oh, thank God. That means I gotta get this perfect. I can't die. It's really easy to die in this area. Like super hella fucking easy. That's why I'm just inching along. That motherfucker. Oh, Nelly. Okay. This is a hard section right here. This is like, I can't just jump past it. There's another one right past it. Come on, you son of a bitch. Okay. Thankfully, you fall backwards on that one. Or you can just like turn. You know what? If he does it again, I'm just gonna jump past him. Yeah, because he's doing the long one. Okay, I gotta stay on this side. Actually, you know what? Shit, I gotta. Because it's really easy to fall under the platforms. It's a glitch in this game, actually. Like right there, I fell under the fucking platform. Makes this part almost fucking impossible. I got a game over. Okay, that's fine. I'll just do the level select.